All right, I'm back.
Okay. Do you want me to repeat the question?
Yes, please.
Okay, now we saw that the information is not enough to say if the bird is ascending, descending, or hovering in its place. So we input this data now into our problem, and we are saying that the g is 10 meters per second square, and the mass of the bird is 1 kilogram. And we also know that the bird is exerting a force of 10 newtons downwards. So what can we say
Yes.
about the flight of the bird? Is it staying in its place or ascending, descending? What can you say?
It's yeah, I think it's going to descend.
Let's calculate. Let's calculate what will happen. Let's discuss the forces acting on the bird.
Yeah. So we have the 10 newtons acting on the bird, but on top of that, we also have the gravity
Yeah.
pushing down the bird, including the 10 newtons. And since the gravity isn't a force that's being exerted, or it's just a force that's there,
Mm-hmm.
it's not like the air uses it back up to like lift up the bird. But like it's for the bird doing the 10 newtons, it's because it's exerting force onto air. Does that make sense? Is it like
Mm, so now, okay, let's assume this is our bird, this square, this rectangle. Can you show the forces acting on it, downward and upward?
huh?
Assume this rectangle that I drew here is our bird.
Yes.
Can you show the forces acting on it? For example,
Yeah,
the
so we have
gravitational force.
gravitational force. It's just that one.
Yeah, and how much is it?
10 meters per second squared.
Newtons. The
Oh,
force, Newton, right?
oopsies.
It's 10 times 1, right? mg.
Yeah.
Okay. What else do we have?
Um, I don't know.
Does the air exert a force on the bird?
Wait, what?
Does the air under the wings exert some force on the bird?
Yeah.
How much is it? Narek, what do you think?
Wait, can you ask that again?
Uh, so the air exert a force on the bird, right?
Yes.
How much is it?
The 10 newtons.
Can you show it in the on the rectangle?
Sure. So it's like it's like this.
Are there any other forces?
Yeah. There's one more.
Can you show it?
Yeah, it's the force of the bird.
You are speaking about these ones, Arek. These forces.
Yeah.
What do you think? Are these the forces that acts on the bird? We are speaking about
Oh no. That doesn't count.
because those forces are the forces that the bird is acting on the
Yeah.
air. But
Yeah.
in order to understand if the bird is flying or not, we need to consider only the forces acting on the bird.
So we don't have anything left.
Yeah, and what can you say about the flight of the bird? Is it what is it doing?
It's dropping.
Dropping, or the forces are
Hovering.
this. The forces are the
It's
same. They are
yeah, it's
equal.
hovering.
So what?
It's hovering.
Yeah, yeah, right. S- Okay, but if I'll say this thing, J is again 10 meters per second square, but the mass is 0.5 kilograms. What can you say about the flight? Again, it's exerting 10 newtons force.
Um, um, um.
Again, let's calculate the gravity.
Yeah, so we have the gravity, which is 10.
10, or it's mg, right?
Yeah,
So it
yeah.
is.
So it's 5.
Mhm. Can you show it on this left rectangle that I drew?
Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, it's 10, because. Or no, it's 5,
Mhm.
because it's N times G.
No, it's newtons, right? Ah, yes, m times g, right? And the unit is 5 what?
Uh, Newtons.
Right?
Yeah, Newtons.
Okay, let's write newtons here. Newtons. What about the upward force?
Um, the upwards force? It's the same, right?
Mhm.
Oh, so it'll flow?
What do you think?
Well, yeah, from what it shows, it looks like it's gonna float.
What do you mean by flow?
Like, it's gonna go higher.
Yeah, ascend, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what if I have the situation of m is equal to like 2 kilograms? Can you guess, even without solving,
Guess what?
what will happen? How the flight of the bird will be
If what?
if m is 2 kilograms? If it has more weight?
Oh, it'll go down.
Yeah, because the force exerting from the air on the bird will be lower, right, than
Yeah.
its mass. In that case, the bird will start flapping its wings faster, right,
Yeah.
to exert more force from the air on its wings.
Yeah.
Okay, did it make sense, all this concept?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move forward.
Okay.
We started very late today, Arek. That's why I want to keep you an additional 15 minutes. Is it okay for you?
I have to go because I have to practice for my guitar.
Hmm. Okay, in that case, you don't have time, even 5 minutes.
I think I can do 5 minutes.
Okay, okay. Let's do 5 minutes.
Okay. A person with a mass of 8 kilograms is standing on the ground. Identify the action reaction force pair and calculate the magnitude of each force.